Now we got some XR 2020 football. Some cards per pack, 2 packs per box.
Nana said good job on those, Grant.
Thank you. It is my pleasure.
Here you go. Get those out of your way a little bit. How many packs are in these?
2.
2 packs. Need help?
No, I got
Sure?
Yeah, I got it.
Because these are kind of delicate on the corners.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
Yeah, let's. I think these slide. Nope, just not. Oh, you know what? It just opens like that.
Oh, never mind. I went the wrong way.
It's alright.
Here's that too.
Thank you.
Alright. First pack magic.
There you go.
Yeah. You guys still here?
Yep, Nana just said good job on those.
0 viewers right now.
Well, I think it's the feed. It's a little weird.
Oh. Ooh,
Wait, hold on a second. Let me see how we should sit these down. There. Do it like that.
Alright. Alright, so first off we got Damien Arighty?
What team? What team is it? Raiders. Damon Arnett.
Barnett. Alright, Saquon Barkley. What? Todd Gurley's on the...
Falcons.
What?
Yeah. Rams let him go. Right, Nick? Is Nick on there?
No, I don't think he's on there.
Who's that?
Denzel Mims.
That's red, so
Mims?
it's numbered.
Yeah, it's numbered at 249. 244 at 249.
Cool.
Hey, Nick, are you on? We don't know. Julio Jones. Let's see. So it's out of 249. 2 out of 249. Christian McCaffrey, 40 out of 49. Factor.
X Factor.
X Factor.
Who's this?
Swatch autographs. Jalen Reagor. 10 out of 25.
That's not bad.
What's his number?
Like, is it 18? I think it's 18. Look on the shoulder pad. Yeah.
18. Dang it.
That's alright. We get Jalen Reagor in everything.
I know. It's so, exhausting, kind of. How many autos?
I think 1 per pack.
Oh, good. It would be nice if you said, let me see how many cards we've had. About 7 per pack. 7 per pack. I bet you we have a good auto. I'm just guessing.
All right.
Seriously.
We'll see.
All right, Adam Trutman.
What team?
Uh,
It's not zooming. Saints.
Saint. Oh yeah, Saints.
You can see it on the bottom too, but it's not zooming in. It's pretty blurry. There you
Yeah,
go.
we need to fix that.
Scoot out a little bit. All right. We'll take your word for it.
Oh, thanks. Earl Thomas III.
Base.
Yep.
Nana said LOL.
LOL what?
Blurry, probably.
Ha ha.
What?
Derrick Henry.
He's pretty good.
D-Hen. See what? 121 now. 199. Marlon Davidson.
What team? Falcons.
How did you know?
It actually zoomed in for a split second, then you moved.
Oh, I see it. I see it. Isaiah Cutler, Texans.
Okay. What's it numbered out of?
55 out of 75.
All right.
So just a regular base numbered.
The exhausting remark.
Oh my. Wait, what? Marcus Allen, 15 out of 15 patch.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah. Oh, that'll cost like $5. Right.
That's pretty cool. Somebody collects out Marcus Allen.
Yeah. True.
What's this? Can't see it.
Oh.
Is that the
Quintez Campucci Lions?
1 out of what?
1 out of 10.
Oh, it's a gold. Nice. Let it zoom for a minute, Grant. Yeah, there you go. 1 out of 10. Very nice.
Yeah. All right. Recap.
Now let's do the other box.
Oh, right. I was thinking, wait, did they place us with 2 autos? Thanks.
A gold and Jalen Rager. Not bad at all. That box wasn't.
Rager.
Oh, top. Just pull it up top.
Oh, top?
There you go.
Can I see that box real quick, actually?
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you, Nana and Gimp and whoever else is watching, for watching.
There you go.
I bet you will have another patch and auto.
We'll see.
Him. Xavier McKinney, Giants.
All
right. Micah Fitzpatrick.
Minka
Fitzpatrick. Maybe. Tyler Higbee. Hey, Jake Dillon.
Oh, blue. Nice.
Yeah, 149 now, 199. 199. Awesome job. Thank you. Thanks, Scampy.
So exhausting. Who's that? Keenan Allen?
Yep. Chargers red out of 249. 193 out of 249.
Rookie patch auto here, right?
Oh, is it the guy? Is it that guy? Nope, it's KJ Hamler. 6 out of 75 triple patch. That's a nice card.
Who's the auto?
Well, let's see. Cole McDonald.
Be careful with him. Cole McDonald had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O. 142 out of 199.
What team is that?
Titans.
All right. One more pack.
Blow it.
All right.
Hey, feel free to say hello on the chat.
They are.
3 people?
Chatting away. Well, You gotta start somewhere.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to press the subscribe button below. If you want any of these cards, go to myballcards.com.
Nice. Jalen Hurts.
Yep, Jalen Hurts. Oh, I even feel a patch. Seriously.
I don't know. I think there's only one patch. I don't know though.
Yep, Jalen Hurts.
Put him down. You can put him down. There you go.
Kahal Mack.
Khalil
Mack. Khalil Mack. Rob Gronkowski. Gronk. Cow. Ski. Jalen Rager.
Oh yeah, of course. Why not?
21 had to. Come on, be a stud, dude. We have trillions of autos of you. I think.
We have a lot.
Oh, hold on, guys. Misplaced.
I don't know about trillions.
We have a lot. I'll say that. Ooh. Devontae Adams, 31 out of 75.
That's nice.
So we just get base numbered too. It's kind of weird.
Who's this?
This is a non-auto. Antonio Gibson. 41 out of 49. Who did you think it was?
He's actually pretty good.
Nice. I told you.
Who?
Triple patch.
Oh, nice.
I told you.
Who is it?
DeAndre Swift.
That's nice. What's it numbered out of?
Triple patch auto. Oh, there it is. 79 out of 149.
Nice. Now hold it still so let it zoom in. Oh, that is sharp. I like that. Very nice. Good job, Grant.
All right. Recap.
Yeah, you can just do the big ones.
All right. Let me sort them real quick. No. Yes. All right. First off, we got 15 out of 15 Marcus Allen patch. 2-color patch.
Old school. Now we got the 1 out of 10
Cephus.
Quintez Cephus.
Lions.
Quintez Cephus.
Quintez Cephus. KJ Hamler. 6 out of 75. Triple patch auto, DeAndre Swift. Oh, wait.
What?
Numbered.
Yeah, you already said it was.
79 out of 149. All right.
What was that?
That was 2020 XR football.